to my YouTube channel. My name is London. I'm going to show you all of my fidgets. So here I go. I got this little squishy ball. So squishy. And you guys can see I'm sorry for any sounds. That's that. We have this little puzzle ball. You like move it around. That's that. We have this, the mesh balls. That's it. So we have little the pink one, a blue one, a green one. So much fun. We have these little things. Forgive me for not knowing the name. These are little, I don't know what they're called. I'll show you how much I have. I have this little purple one. They're so fun to stretch. This pink one. You can make a rainbow out of them. Orange one. We're almost done, people. A blue one. A yellow one. A green one. That is a lot. We have a Rubik's Cube. I'm not into Rubik's Cube. This is like, I think, my least favorite out of like all my fidgets. But it's not a real Rubik's Cube. It feels like a not. Yeah, this is that. That's that. It's hard to get the colors together. Yeah. Well, we have these little. How can I find my squishies? These are not all of my. Oh, here they are. Okay, I have these little squishies. I'm gonna show you all of them. I have a little duck. I have this little hamster, a little strawberry, a little banana, and a little dog. Yeah, and you can actually put them all together. Like that. We have bike chains. I don't like bike chains. They're really not my favorite. But you just like twist them around. I don't even know why they made them, but they're cool. Kind of cool. And this is just a feel. I do know that because my sister told me about it. And yeah, it's a unicorn, but it's like a square unicorn. Yeah. So that's that. Okay. We have little a slinky. This little, it's a little, I don't know what these are. Little peas that just pop out. And hello, Mama Sheba. Silly puppy. Okay. We have this. I have no idea what this, I just do this, and this is my least favorite. Like, I don't like this at all. I have the puzzle fidgets. I don't like these. I don't like these as much because, like, I just like the squishy fidgets. But this is cool. I mean, I can use it as a headband. So that's that. It's really cool. And I have another one. Just move this one. This is my least favorite. Let's just look at that. I have, two squishies. These ones are so fun. If you like put them together and make a big squishy, but they're hard to squish. Those are that. And then the poppets. Everybody loves poppets. Duh. Okay. We have this little rainbow one. This little unicorn one. Oh, my phone. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm like terribly sorry. I got this butterfly one, a Mickey Mouse one, heart one, and a mermaid one. These are all my fidgets. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll squish wish you goodbye. And I will see you next time. Bye.